In this video, you will see how to curve text in Word 2023. You can curve the text using the two methods that I will show you. First, you need to click here on the Insert tab. Under the Insert tab, at the right hand side, you will see here the option of Word Art. We will make use of Word Art. After clicking on it, you will see here different word arts. Select the first one or anyone you like and then copy the text inside this text box of the word art. Now we can curve this text. To curve, click on the border of the text box and click on shape formats here. Under the shape formats, you will see this A option with the blue border. Click on the small downward triangle here, and under the transform you will see many options to curve the text. So I am selecting here the first one. After clicking on it, as you can see, the text is curved but not enough. So we will reduce the box size and stretch it downward to increase the curvature. See here the yellow mark. You can click and hold the yellow mark and then drag it down to increase the curvature. So this is the one method. The other method is also easy. You just need to go to the Insert tab and then click on text box. Select the option draw text box and then draw a text box. Paste the text inside the text box. Click on the border of the text box and again now you will see the shape format option. So after selecting the curved text, as you can see, we have the same option of curving the text. So you can increase or decrease the size of the text box and stretch it down like this to increase the curvature. The same yellow dot will appear here. You can just hold and click it and drag down to increase the curvature. And if you want to remove this outer border, then click on it, go to the format shapes option, and under the line select the option no line to remove the outer border. Now check out these useful videos related to Word 2023. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. See you again in the next one.